In this video, we are diving into how to set up project templates in Teamwork.com, a game-changing tool for managing projects with ease. If you've ever found yourself repeating tasks or wasting time creating the same structure over and over again for every project, then this feature is a real time saver. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create and use project templates in Teamwork to streamline your processes and save your team valuable time. Teamwork.com is a powerful project management software that allows you to plan, track, and deliver your projects more efficiently. One of its standout features is project templates, which let you quickly replicate tasks, milestones, and dependencies, so you can kick off new projects in no time. And you can get started with this software completely free by using the first link in the description below, where we also have exclusive bonuses for you. Setting up your first project template is simple. Start by opening Teamwork and navigating to the Templates section under the Projects tab. From here, you can either create a new template or edit an existing one. If you're creating a new template, click the New Template button. You'll be prompted to give your template a name, which should reflect the type of project it's going to be used for. Once your template is named, it's time to start building it. You can add tasks, assign responsibilities, set due dates, and define the project structure just like you would for any regular project. This is where the magic happens. By setting up your tasks and subtasks with the right details up front, you're laying the groundwork for a project that's already structured and organized. No more starting from scratch every time you create a new project. Now here's a key tip. You can save yourself even more time by adding recurring tasks or dependencies directly into your template. For example, if your projects always require a certain approval step, you can add that as a task and assign it to the relevant team member, and Teamwork will automatically generate this step every time you create a new project from the template. Another feature that makes templates so useful is the ability to customize them for different teams or project types. You might have a standard template for marketing campaigns and another for product launches, each with unique steps. Teamwork gives you the flexibility to adjust your templates to fit whatever needs your team or business has. Once you've added all the necessary elements to your template, save it, and it's ready to go. To use the template, simply go to your Projects section and select New Project. You'll be prompted to choose a template, and once selected, all of your predefined tasks, deadlines, and team assignments will automatically be populated. It's that easy. You'll be able to start your project in just a few clicks and focus on what matters most, getting results. If you want to make any adjustments to the template later, you can always go back to the Templates section, open the template, and make edits. And for teams that have multiple projects running at once, you can manage and duplicate templates to create even more customized workflows. To wrap things up, remember that setting up project templates in Teamwork.com is a great way to streamline your workflows, reduce the risk of forgetting important steps, and ensure consistency across all your projects. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign up for Teamwork.com using the first link in the description for an exclusive extended free trial. This will allow you to explore all of Teamwork's features without any pressure, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your business or team. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the other resources we've linked below to help you get the most out of Teamwork. See you next time.